Hey everyone, today I'm giving you the quick honest scoop on Nicole's Coastal Boutique in 2026. Is it a charming treasure, or are you about to be scammed? Let's find out. So first off, Nicole's Coastal Boutique is a real business. The website works, and yes, Nicole herself curates those Nantucket-inspired looks. But not everything is smooth sailing. Here's the reality. While many people love the beachy vibe and unique pieces, there are some storm clouds. Some shoppers say their orders took way longer than promised. Think weeks, not days. Others mention getting the wrong size, or even the wrong items in their package. The biggie? It can be tough to get a hold of Nicole or her team when things go wrong. Now, is it a scam? Not quite. Nicole's Boutique isn't a fly-by-night operation, but it's also not backed by big box guarantees. There's no BBB accreditation, which isn't unusual for small shops, but still something to keep in mind. Here's how I'd shop smart. Always pay with a credit card or a service that protects you, never with friends and family options that leave you exposed. Before you buy, double-check the website for a real support email or phone number. And always read the return and shipping policies, since boutique items sometimes mean slower shipping. Bottom line, Nicole's Coastal Boutique is legit, but with some service hiccups. If you love the island look and have a bit of patience, you might find something special. Just protect your payment and double-check those details first. Got your own experience? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear if Nicole's Coastal Boutique worked for you.